So you take pictures that look like this, and after going ahead and posting them to your Facebook story, they end up looking like this, which is pretty disappointing. So let me show you how to fix that. Of course, we go ahead and open Facebook, and then once the app fully loads up, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now from here, scroll down until you reach the bottom and tap on Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on Settings at the top right here. Once you'll be taken here, scroll down until you find Media and tap on it. And this is the page that you're looking for. Now make sure the optimized version right here is the one that is checked and selected. And after that, every story you post will not be reduced in quality or blurry. It will be optimized and in full quality. And that is it for this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment and also subscribe. And if you think this might help your friends as well, go ahead and share it with them. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.